me verify, because I couldn't believe it.
What?
Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Today's video is brought to you by Hermosa Hair. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. It is also Slippin' Slay. Your girl got her Wawa today. I am behind, so no wine today. Now, before I get into this $100 install, it's $104 to be exact. Make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from Hermosa Hair. All the specs of my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. Now, before I pop this wig on my head and do my thing, let's talk about these edges real quick. I literally just told y'all I wanted the brands to match the kinky edges to the actual wig. And I think Hermosa was like, you know what? We already did that. It looks like they did exactly what I was suggesting in my last video. Ventilate the hairline and then add the curls so they match. Okay, I need to put my band back on because I did wash my wig, okay, with the dish soap. Yeah, real quick. It didn't get out the full stink, but it got out most of it, all right, and it cleansed the hair. If I had more time, I would just pop this joint outside and air her out. But since I don't, we're gonna spray her up with my hair freshener. I'm using African Wildflower, just a little bit around there. Based on how this is looking, I'm pretty sure they bleached these knots. And I don't mean like, you know, a little bit, I mean a lot of it. For this price point, I ain't mad at it. This wig right now with my discount, I think it's like a discount and then another discount, it's like $110. Let me verify, because I couldn't believe it. 180% density, 14 inch. This wig is $104.
What?
$104. Come on, somebody. Come on, somebody. I'm just gonna tint it a little bit around my hairline just to make sure she's gonna blend. Busting out my Black Radiant Soft Focus Powder, just a smidge, okay? Not a lot. Just around the edge, right around here. No, I want my cap. I did put my elastic band in the closest one to the back just to make sure it's gonna fit around my ear with my glasses. Hold up, let me scooch it over. This is how that hairline is looking. The hairline does look a little full, but I don't want to pluck anything out yet until I do my swirlies. I chose this wig because of another YouTuber, Always a Mirror. She tried this one and it looks gorgeous on her. However, I feel like my blonde is more blonde. Her wig was more like, I don't know, it was more like a brownish blonde. I mean, I could be remembering it incorrectly, so you know, don't hold me to that. We still gonna work this one out. I just have some questions. Yeah, let's clip this up so I can get my hairlines together. Your girl woke up with some energy today. Y'all will be so proud of me. I cleaned my office. Y'all can't see my floor, but I was stepping over stuff to get over here. It was, even my desk was a mess. I'm doing my 30 days of walking, but I'm gonna keep doing it 30 minutes a day with my girl Brittany, aka the Hearts and Cake 90, or I Fancy Cupcakes, however you know her. Hey Britt, she is doing a walk-in challenge and she invited us to join her. So I have been doing that and drinking a gallon of water a day. Hello, I'm a little behind right now, but don't worry about that. I'm gonna use my Nairobi mousse around the hairline to mold this down. Again, this is a mold, not a hold. I tell y'all this every time and people still be telling me their wigs be lifting with the Nairobi. I know. I want you to know too, please. Ooh, that curled up real nice. Look at that little cute thing. Did they send me a band? Is that makeup brushes? What's that? Got the lashes and the nails. Is that cow print? It is cow print. Look at that. All right, let's be smarter than the packaging. Hermosa. To wrap this down. Now, because I use my dish soap, the hair will be stripped and be very brittle and dry once it dries down. So you do want to use a conditioner after the dish soap. I use my leave-in conditioner by Esha, but I'm also going to go in with my tag team. Even though this is not a kinky curly wig, it's more of a, it just says curly, but it's given Jerry curly. So I'm gonna use my Nairobi mousse and my Dark and Lovely curl glaze to define my curls. The hair did detangle really nicely and only had a little bit of shedding. That's always a plus. Work this all in. I do want to cut a little bit of these ends just right here in the front because this one seems a little bit longer, just to make sure my curls are going to clump the way I want them to. Just a little a little trim on the end. I used to trim my curly wigs a couple years ago, but then I just stopped because I was just lazy. I'm gonna take a quarter size amount of the curl glaze, work it through the hair, just to add some moisture and shine back into the hair and also help with the frizziness. I more than likely will fluff this hair out. We'll see once I, you know, diffuse my curls. Make sure I finger coil to the root. I scrunch it, clip it back, do my makeup, and then we'll come back, diffuse the hair, and fluff her. I got some frizzies over here. Top it with some mousse. Pop those curls back in like that. We'll just let it air dry. This is a 1/4 inch, I think. Why is that sticky? Let's go ahead and take off the band so we can see what the hairline is sitting like. Brush back what I'm not gonna use. The mousse does a good job in molding the hairs around your face. Put a little mousse right here just to pop those curls back. I'm just gonna take my curler here and just curl at my roots, because the roots are just too straight for me. I don't want them to be super straight. If you think the curly bays are not curling their actual hair, you would be mistaken. I just saw a video of, what's her name? Joan from Girlfriends. What's her name? She was showing how she does her hair, and she does exactly this. So pop them curls back in if you need to. You don't gotta hold it too long. I'm gonna pick at the root to add some lift. Make sure I go under. Let me see if I want a side part or not. Let me add some mousse to this side. I didn't plan on doing a side part, as you can see. Still got my curls right here in the front. This one is really not doing what I need her to do. So let me just curl her up real quick. That on there. Like that. Touch up some of these in the back. Wrap that down. I think that's good for now. Let me turn that off before I burn my fingers up. I don't think I need to tint it anymore. However, if I pull it up like this, I'll need to tint it. Let me get my glasses over top my lace on the side. I think this is an 8x5 closure, so it's a good amount of lace around the front to your sides, but obviously around your ear, it'll be track and cap. Get my hairspray and just hold this back off my face. Like so. Just add a little hairspray to it. And I think I am done. Yeah. So here is the final look. I think it came out cute. However, I know for a fact this color is not the same as the one that Always Amira had. I also feel like the curl is different. I know when it comes to curly wigs and wigs that are pre-colored, the curl and the color may be a little off, but I feel like this is a completely different like style. It could be in the way that she clumped her hair, so I won't completely say the curl is different. However, I know for a fact this color is different. This is definitely giving more balayage blonde than what hers did. But outside of that, I think it's still a pretty unit. I did go back in and tint my lace around my hairline just because I moved my hair up a little bit. I used my Juvia's Place foundation stick in the color Catsina, and I just tapped that around my hairline real quick, nothing crazy. I do think this is a very beginner friendly curl texture, but it will take a little bit of time to get your wig like this. This is not a pop on and go. Not for me anyway. If you want a WD2F, wash, define, diffuse, and fluff your wig, it's gonna take a little bit of time for this one. How I did the hairline, you don't really need any type of expertise to do it. Just kind of switch them up and then let them dry down in place. That's it. Hermosa hair, you got it right when it comes to the hairline. Match the edges to the hair texture, and y'all did that. And listen, for $104, hang that phone up, okay? Daddy Pawpaw can wait. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Hermosa Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and the coupon codes for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.